we met brief moment. Yes, it was at this party. We had a few drinks and
You're almost there, okay?
where am I?
Good morning, Prince Charming. You slept like a baby after we had a nice time.
I don't have any idea. Where am I?
In a hotel you booked last night.
Hey, where's my clothes?
I've given them to the laundry guys.
Did we do anything?
Of course. What else did we come here?
No, I'm dead. Don't touch me. Oh, God. Hey. Oh.
Hi, Kobe.
Hello. Have you met before?
Come on, I'm Erica. We met a week ago at the party. I will spend the night together, remember?
Oh, so it was you. Sorry, I didn't take a close look at you.
I've been calling you, but you don't pick your calls.
Madam, I'm so sorry. I'm a married man. I knew we spent the night together, but I don't think this thing can continue.
What?
Yes.
What are you telling me?
I'm sorry.
Kobe, but that... What? Muvulu. Wabakwe. Okay.
That was it. She tried calling me several times, but I ignored her calls. And I don't know how she managed to ignore her house.
So, you don't remember doing anything with her?
Baby, I don't even understand why I'm having this conversation with you. It's your choice. I don't even remember.
Then it's possible he's your son.
And it's possible it's not my son. What do you want me to say again? You don't even trust me. Listen, let me go and sleep. You don't believe me?
Everybody hustle.
Being a wife, or being this in the middle, or being a wife, or being this in the middle, no being a man. Hey, so fear worry then, Kai so be fear there watch you. Ah, what's a minute then? To be there book watch you. Ah, I want you for one reason. No ni nanu so wanya dan awon gali ja woroko Roma father so wanya dan awo boy san na pegel awo bi ni so wanya
Hey
wanya dan.
If you don't take your filthy fingers off my body, you will regret ever meeting me.
Grace, why do you talk like that? I told you I'm innocent. Don't you believe me? Listen, marriage is all about trust and love.
Hey, don't annoy me. Trust. Do you even understand the word trust? Go and tell your son's mother that and not me. Trust indeed.
Hey. So those are not what about. So those are not what about. Hey. Only chiwa buwa milengi mpenya impa. Okay.
Gist. But Mimi, talking of gists, I'm honestly disappointed in Dad.
He said he didn't do it, and I believe him.
Why wouldn't you believe him, Mimi? You're always seeing the bright side of everything, but I'm optimist.
Were you there? Besides, these girls go around tying themselves to men just because they think they're responsible.
See, as for this, Mr. Simpson slept with him.
It hasn't been confirmed yet, so please stop taking sides.
Hey, just wait and see.
Father, I don't...
Not even your son Jojo will do what you are doing. Me, get up and leave me alone.
I'm sorry for what has happened.
Hey,
I'm sorry.
are you now admitting that he's your son?
No, he's not my son. You know, but I'm just apologizing for putting you and the kids into this position.
Dad?
Yes.
She's here to see you.
Who's here to see me?
The lady who came here yesterday. She's here with her son again. Is mommy okay?
Mommy, she's okay. You, let's go.
No, but Mom.
She'll be okay.
Mom.
Let's go. Let me see that. Yeah. Let's go. So, what are you trying to do? Break up my family?
So do you want our son to walk around without a father? Is that what you want?
Stop talking about our child. Because I don't have any idea who he is.
But it's yours.
Can you see the boy's face? Does he look like Dad?
His face is fundamentally like Daddy's bone.
Listen, we went for a party. We got drunk. And I don't even know if we did anything or not.
Kofi Simpson, you are not a multi-billionaire who has enough to spoil. Or you think I can't take care of our son? I just want you to acknowledge that you have a son. That's all.
Maybe the father of the child doesn't want him, so you are forcing him on me.
Are you calling me cheap? Or is it because I agreed to meet you at the hotel the other time?
So, he met her again the second time?
Daddy, I told you, he's so full of surprises. He's even overflowing with them.
So what are you trying to do?
You begged me. You begged me that day before I met you at that hotel.
How much do you want to name your price?
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You think money answers all things?
Baby, my she baby.
Really, really nice.
Thank you, my
dear. Wow. So what's the latest?
He came to the kitchen this morning asking for food. I didn't even blink.
My dear, but have you thought about the fact that he could be telling the truth?
What truth again? He slept with the woman. It would have been different if he didn't.
I've been thinking about this the whole night. I just don't know what to make of it.
Not you alone, oh my dear. I kept tossing in my bed till daybreak. I couldn't sleep.
You know what? Come with me. Let me go give you a treat, okay?
I need this.
You do. You know how I do it, huh? Come on, hop in, hop in.
Buy the truth and sell it not. Also wisdom and instruction and understanding. For my mouth shall speak truth, and wickedness is an abomination to my lips. Mr. Simpson. Yeah. I can be there in 30 minutes. Okay. See you soon. Thank you.
I'm not lying to you.
But you didn't tell me you saw her again. And all the text messages you were sending her.
The fact that I didn't tell you doesn't mean I lied. There's a difference.
But why would you even go see her the second time?
Erica, you are a beautiful girl by all standards. But I can't do this with you. I love my wife.
What?
Yes.
So why are you here
You
then?
invited me. Let me go.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm going home. Oh, shit. Oh.
You did what? Daddy, how could you? I trusted you.
No. Let me finish. Mimi, I'm telling you the truth.
It's unfortunate. that we find ourselves in such an uncomfortable place. Grace here feels cheated, and our sister here feels betrayed. Well, the book of Proverbs says, a man of understanding shall attain wise counsel. And I think the wise counsel here is to have a DNA test to know the father of that boy. Yes, so that we can clear the air.
Osofo,
Yes,
are you saying I don't know the father of my son?
Yes, you don't know. Yes, you don't know.
I'm sure.
We will have to do that so we can move on.
To where?
Grace, the Lord will see us through. I understand you. But sometimes we need to allow God to help us deal with our problems. This is your father's mistake. And you need not to be so hard on yourself, my daughter.
Osofo, he has betrayed all of us.
I know. I understand that. But sometimes you need to look up to God to grant you the strength to be able to forgive him. You'll be okay. It is well, my sister. It is well. Amen.
Thank you very much, madam.
You're welcome. All the best. Bye-bye.
Bye, madam. Wait. I will... See. I'm feeling good. Right.
Oh, Simpson.
What are they saying?
It says go and look for the father of your son.
What?
Wait. Let's all calm down. Excuse me, madam. Can I please have it? Thank you. Let us go now.
Hey,
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Praise him, the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Truth is one. Like I said, let's all calm down. Madam, as you can see, the test says he is not the father of your son. And I think you owe the Simpsons an apology.
For what? Even if he's not the father. He slept with me and went away. I should rather have reported me for extortion.
Like I said, let's all calm down. Madam, come on. You owe them one. Hey. What? Okay, tell Paul. Apollo.
So you are still not accepting your fault?
When you take over there?
Huh? I have you on your mind, guess you're the
Oh, Joffrey. No, do moshi. No, do moshi.
David says, I sing of the mercies of God. Those who lean on the Lord shall renew their strength.
Let me guess. You've been confirmed the boy's father. That's the reason why you started all this Bible talk.
Wrong. Wrong, my dear. Just get it and read it yourself. Read it and tell me.
Daddy, this is good news.
Yes. I never slept with that lady first or even the second time. She tried doing something, but I ignored her. I was strong in the Lord.
God knows I'm so glad this is not true.
I told you, you were being jealous. You didn't know. I'm innocent.
Yeah, me too, Dad.
You two, where are you from? So you were listening to our conversation. Bad boy. You know what? I told you I'm innocent. I didn't do anything. I love your mom so much. Charlie, let's go do our own man thing.
Where are you guys going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Keep following us and I'll make you pictures of
Wait for me!
Grace, you are still giving me Gimson. Why? You are still stretching me. The burn your face. Grace, I'm sorry.
I'll stretch you until I see and believe that there are no more surprises from your adventures.
Huh? Oh, my man can't try what like a father. Sure, what? Hey, Malamaka Faba. Metramo, my man can't. Hey, Chris.
VVIP. Senadagadu.
Bashigi. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody.
Everybody.
Think you hold somebody.
Hold somebody.
Drink and jolly.
Yeah.
Tell me how you feeling.
How you feeling?
Is it sexual healing?
Sexual healing.
Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Kolo.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make her enter, make her go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make a boss a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Senadi never expire.